Hi everyone. I was really pleased with your sentences last week, and I was pleased with the way you discussed them with each other. What I'd like to see a little more on the discussion board is if somebody replies to you, you maybe reply back. A little bit more of that give and take between each other as you're discussing, okay? That's the only thing I'd like you to work on, and I think you're going to find that very important. Not for this upcoming week, because this upcoming week there's no discussion board, but for future discussion boards. Okay, we're at elements of grammar, and you go to content, remember? You go to content, it's taking time. Okay, here's content, and we are looking at the week of No, we're not. We're looking at the week of January 22nd through 26th. And oops, I made an error. None of this will be here. Okay, you're not. You can review what a relative clause is this week, but that's not going to be important for your assignment. In fact, it might be a good thing to watch it right now and get an idea of what a relative clause is, because that's what you're going to be working on next week. The only thing you have to do this week is remember the sentences you worked with on the discussion board last week? Well, using those very same sentences, my comments and your classmates' suggestions, revise the sentences if needed. Place the sentences in a Word document and save it and put it in the Dropbox, your revised sentences, okay? That's why it's probably a good thing to do some review on the relative clause for next week, because next week you will be working with that. But the sentences you wrote last week, revise them, put them in the Dropbox by Friday night. See, January 26th, okay? Now, one thing I want to show you is how to set up your Word document in MLA format. And this is very important that you put it in MLA format if you don't know what it is. If you do know what it is, great. If not, what you have to do is learn this, because this is important in English 111, 112, possibly 113, and in any humanities class. First of all, you want to go up to this part here and you want to click on it, and you've got your header area. And then you want to put it over here and you want to type your last name. Don't type last name, put in your last name. And then it depends on it's usually in header and footer. You want to go to page numbers and you click that and the page number is there. Then you're going to close it and you're going to be in the actual assignment or actual thing, and you're going to put your name. Oh, one thing before you start typing in this, you need to go to line spacing, so everything's double spaced. Put your name, put my name, put the class, and then put the date. And this is what messes everybody up, okay? Pay attention. It would be 26, the day it's due, January 2018. That's what it would be. Notice the day comes before January, and there are no commas. It's really important. Then you're going to center, and for this one, you're going to put lesson 1, or you can put 1. I don't care which way you do it, okay? And then you're going to go back over and you're going to put this, and then you're going to start typing your sentences. Oh, whatever. Okay. Your sentence, type your sentence, and then you type the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Okay? So pay very important attention to this. Everything you put in the drop box should look like this. Okay? This is the title. Next time it might be lesson 2 you're putting in there, lesson 3, or it might be a writing assignment. Okay? Getting back to this, that's all that's due this week. I will put a link to what MLA paper format looks at in here, and that's all you got to do this week. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.